Alright guys, I just picked up my copy of Memoirs of a Jamaican Shakespeare by my mentee and friend Andre Stone. It's actually a collection of Jamaican poems. In fact, yeah, let me just share this. It says this book is a captivating compilation of poems weaving together the vibrant essence of Jamaican culture with the universal themes of love and passion. And it goes on to talk about the verses resonate with the rhythmic beat of the island, painting a vivid picture of emotions expressed through a most unique Jamaican Shakespearean lens. So proud of him. So proud of him. Well done, Sir Andre. There he is. Well done, Papa. I will continue to support him. By the way, you can contact him. There's a link, his phone number and contact is in the description. Here you can reach him further. But I'm just so proud of you, sir. Well done.